In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp as a complete beginner, specifically focusing on getting your first tasks set up and understanding the core features of this powerful project management tool. ClickUp has revolutionized how teams organize their work, boosting productivity and collaboration. And this tutorial will equip you with the foundational knowledge to start leveraging those benefits immediately. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to visit ClickUp at clickup.com and sign into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you can do that easily through the sign up page. ClickUp offers a generous free plan which is perfect for individuals and small teams getting started, so don't worry about investing heavily up front. Once you've logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. It's your central command center for everything ClickUp. Now, let's talk about the workspace sidebar on the left. This is absolutely crucial. It's where you'll navigate and manage all your projects. You'll see a hierarchy here: workspace, space, folder, list, and task. That's fundamental to how ClickUp organizes information. Think of it like this: a workspace is your top-level container. A space is a specific project area within that workspace. A folder helps you categorize spaces. A list organizes tasks within a space. And finally, a task is the individual item you're working on. Understanding this structure will make navigating ClickUp a lot smoother. Next up, let's explore the default space that was created during onboarding. You'll usually find this right away, and it's designed to help you get started with a basic project. Click on this space to view its contents. You'll see a list of tasks that ClickUp has automatically generated. Don't be intimidated by the number of tasks. It's just there to guide you through the initial setup of a simple project. Now open an existing list or create a new one. You can do this by clicking the plus button near the lists section. Now let's get to the heart of task management. Click the plus add task button to create your first task. You'll be prompted to enter a task name. Be descriptive and specific, like write blog post October 26th instead of just blog post. You'll also want to add an optional description, which is where you can provide more details about the task. This helps everyone involved understand the scope of the work. Take a moment to think about what you need to accomplish and clearly articulate it in the task name and description. Once you've defined the task, you'll need to assign a due date. Click on the due date field and select the date by which you want the task completed. Setting a due date helps you stay on track and prioritize your work. Following this, set a priority level. Click Up allows you to choose from urgent, high, normal, or low. Honestly, being realistic about the urgency is key. Over-prioritizing can be just as detrimental as under-prioritizing. Now let's break down more complex tasks. If the work needs to be broken into smaller steps, add subtasks. You can do this by clicking the Add Subtask button within the task. This allows you to manage the task more effectively, especially for larger projects. It also provides a visual breakdown of the work needed. Think of subtasks as milestones within your main task. Okay, let's ramp up our exploration. ClickUp offers several different views for visualizing your tasks. You'll find List View, Board View, Calendar View, and Gantt View. Switch between these views to understand how tasks can be visualized, providing you with different perspectives on your workflow. Experiment with each view to see which one best suits your needs and the type of project you're working on. Don't be afraid to jump around. It's a great way to get familiar with the tool. Now let's talk about how to stay on top of things. Use the inbox to review notifications and updates. This central hub keeps you informed about any changes or activity related to your tasks. You'll also want to explore the home section for a personal overview of assigned work. It's a great place to see what's waiting for you and prioritize your tasks accordingly. Collaboration is key, so let's get comfortable with that. Add comments to tasks to collaborate with team members. This allows you to discuss the task, share updates, and ask questions directly within the task itself. It keeps all communication organized and contextualized. Also, attach files and documents to tasks when needed. Keeping all relevant information in one place streamlines your workflow. To truly maximize your productivity, experiment with statuses. These allow you to track the progress of your tasks visually. You might have statuses like to do, in progress, review, and completed. As you become more comfortable with the platform, you can customize these statuses to match your own workflow. This provides a clear picture of where each task stands. Finally, let's talk about customization. Customize spaces and lists to match your workflow. ClickUp is incredibly flexible, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs. Explore the App Center and integrations. ClickUp integrates with numerous other tools which can add extra value to your workflow. Now, as you become more comfortable, explore ClickUp's automation features. They can save you a ton of time and effort. Practice creating and managing tasks daily. The more you use it, the more intuitive it will become. And finally, continue refining your workspace organization over time. ClickUp is a constantly evolving tool, so don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your setup as you learn more. You've now successfully completed the fundamentals of using ClickUp. You've set up your first task, understood the core features, and explored the different views and collaboration options. To recap, you've learned how to navigate the ClickUp interface, create tasks, assign due dates and priorities, and manage your workflow effectively. To build on this, I recommend reviewing the Gantt view for a more visual timeline of your projects and exploring the automation features to streamline repetitive tasks. To help you remember these steps, save this video for future reference. You can revisit it whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.